Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve puzzle of select two objects that are same shape. Let's start the video without any delay. Here is the video of the puzzle. Here are different shapes, but images have two shapes that are same, so we have to select only these two shapes. Here are wheels that are two in the image. And in the last, click on confirm button at bottom. You have successfully signed into your account. Hope you like the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.